Best AI photo editing apps for Android. So if you want to have the best AI photo editing apps for your Android, then here are some. You can open up your Play Store in your Android and then go with search and search for FaceApp, which is the first application. Now you can simply go and install the application, which is here. So FaceApp is super popular on social media because it lets you have fun with your photos using AI with Face. You can try out different hairstyles, change the shape of your face, switch hair colors, and even you can swap faces and genders. You can also try on different makeup styles to see what looks good on you. So it's simple, you can download it from the Play Store and use the Face app. Now the other application is Remini. Remini is both available in Android, like Play Store, and also the App Store, which is for the iOS device. It is specialized in restoring old and low quality photos using advanced AI technology. It can enhance your pictures, making them look much clearer and more detailed. This app was very user friendly. All you need to do is just upload your photo and Remini will enhance it in one go. It will just clarify and make your photos sharp. So it's also the best AI photo editing app for your Android. And the last or the third application is Switchlight. You can simply search for Switchlight AI photo editor, which is this one. This app allows you to add interesting backgrounds to any of your boring photos. After downloading the app, all you need to do is upload your photo. Then the app instantly removes the background of your photo and adds a different background and the effects. So you can choose any background that you like, and you can download the photos and the photo will have a watermark, but you can easily remove it from the removing websites, like removing BG websites. So these were the best 3 AI photo editing apps for your Android, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.